All right, guys, I'm sure lots of you have heard of this character, but he's a fun one. We're going to read Pig the Pug, and this is written and illustrated by Aaron Blady. Pig the Pug. Pig was a pug, and I'm sorry to say, he was greedy and selfish in most every way. He lived in a house with a wiener dog Trevor. But when was he nice to him? I'll tell you, never. You've got some great toys there, poor Trevor would say. But Pig would just grumble. They're mine. Go away. But it might be more fun, Trevor said to Pig, if we both play together. Well, Pig flipped his wig. No, they are mine. Didn't you hear? Only mine. You keep your paws off them. They are mine, 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 mine. I know what your game is. You want me to share. But I'll never do that. I won't, and I swear. And with that, he proceeded to gather his stuff and make a big pile with a huff and a puff. And once he had gathered them up in a pile, he howled from the top with a satisfied smile. There, shouted Pig. Now you won't get my loot. It's mine, 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 mine. So why don't you scoot? Not being a very good friend. But just at that moment, poor Trevor did see the pile was wobbling. Oh, dear me. Watch out up there, good Trevor did cry. But the shame of it was, well, pigs cannot fly. Uh-oh. Well, these days it's different. I'm happy to say it's so very different in most every way. Yes, Pig shares his toys now, and Trevor's his friend. And they both play together. Not sure if Pig is so happy. Well, Pig's on the mend. Like a pig in the cast. Hopefully he'll learn that it's better to share. So, we will be reading some more stories about our friend Pig the Pug very soon. So, I think those are some pretty fun books.